That was a monster. It's clear on the back. The rain has been pulling, anticipating that it will be missing, but it's not missing. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's on. That's one big boy. Oh. Welcome back to Second Age Outdoor. Thanks for tuning in for the channel. I appreciated that. So, all right, we're gonna give it a shot again. Hopefully I redeem myself from that one cow that I lost. And I know why I lost that cow. Just as I predicted, it was the eye on the top. It cracked on the front of the edge. One of the eye loop crack on the front. That what tears my line apart. So yeah, it's right here, man. I think it's be careful, guys, when you accidentally bump stuff. These things does crack. It doesn't matter how good of a brand it is. It might be the Fuji Guide or anything like that, but man, it cracked, and I'm surprised I didn't lose a second fish. I'll see you on the water. Question is just a matter of when. I hope it push out the other way. I hope. You guys staying on channel 10? This is Peck, guys. This is Peck.
You'll put it 36 long.
Let the cloud pass. Hopefully. Be nice to catch something during the daytime or daylight like this. Be nice, but the cloud are coming in. Typically you don't, but you get lucky every now and then, and hopefully it'll be my turn. We're just cruising right now. Oh, no, that should be the time. That was a monster. Oh, he's here. He's here. Come on, baby. Splash on my face. Woo, they're here. Wow, this is too close. Too close. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. And going against the currents. Mucho difficulty. And it's dark. Let's hopefully the fish hit. Woo! Hopefully my camera is all set too, my batteries and everything. This might be a tragic for my camera. Here comes the rain. It's pouring now. I'm going against the currents also, so I'm pushing a little bit of a speed, but it's only 1.5 miles an hour. Had I had you face this way, you probably could see what I'm talking about. It's dark, the waves are kicking in, the rain. It's clear on the back. The rain has been pulling, anticipating that it will be missing, but it's not missing. As long as there's no lightning or thunder, I think we'll be good. It's nice and cool. We prepared for the rain. At this point, I'm going to go back to the area where we launch or close to it. I'm going to anchor, I'm going to chunk, I'm going to sit there and wait. But it's going to take a little bit with the wave and choppy and hey, for the love of fishing. It wasn't supposed to rain until 8 o'clock, but the weather is very unpredictable at this point. I hope you can hear what I'm talking about besides rain. Alright, well, we're prepared to get wet. Hopefully we don't, because we dressed up for it. Take a bite, man. There's some big fish. One of the guys already landed a 36-inch using a proving worm, cruising. Live eel. Again, might not be effective unless it's getting dark. But imagine dark at this choppy weather. I don't know. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Alright, so what's that about? That's what that's about. Not handle the weight. Alright. Well, let's see. Not handle the weight. Tell me it's 45. Who does this in the rain? Don't break those rod, baby. Is it a slot?
That's a good one.
Good boy. Go ahead, do your thing. I got you on video in Second Nature Outdoor, baby. Let me get out of the way. Woo! In the rain. What's it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy crap. I got you, man. I got you. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Good job, Pablo.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh, man. And you say you can't catch in the rain? Are you kidding me? Look at this.
I love
Look at
fish
this.
in the rain. I love it.
Oh, hell yeah. All right. Fish on. Okay, where are you? Maybe small? No? Where are you, baby? Woo, woo, woo. Finally. See that? It's just a matter of time.
Fish on.
Fish on here. Fish on here.
Good job, both of you. Make sure the fish is 40 plus.
Big boy. It's a big boy. Okay, okay. You're not done yet. You're not done yet. You're done now. You're done. Do that. Let's see. Not the biggest. Not the biggest, but we're still working on it. Still a keeper.
That again? I'm going for it. Got it. You want the green light on?
Woo! You're on fire, baby.
Take white light. My red light over there? Yes, I guess.
Oof.
Hit the flashing light.
That was good. That was awesome. Finally. I didn't measure that, but I will measure it. It seems like around at least 38. Oh man, that was good. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, that one's big. That one's big, boy. Come on. Nice. Oh, I lost that one. I almost had it. Oh well, let's do it again. Wow, fish on, fish on. They are active tonight. Come on. That's a setting how I want it. Okay. You doing your thing. Come on, baby. This one slide. Only sucks about this kayak is I had to sit sideways, catch it sideways. I go to them. Woo! My goodness. Woo. Where are you? Oh, you're right here. Woo! Oh, you're a beast. You're a beast. You are not. You do not want to give up. Here you come. He's gonna be tired. Yep, he's right here. Oh, he does not want to come up. No way does this guy want to come up. Oh, nope, he's fooling me. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Ooh. He's coming, you can see him turning around. Whoa. Oh. He's not giving up yet. This better be a 45 plus. Yo, son. That's what I'm talking about. We can't play along too long. Come on. I need you to be exhausted so you can come up. Oh no. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh. No, I can't. Almost along. Come on. Yeah, you hooked on, but not in a good position, nope. Can't let you do that. Nope. Get tired, buddy. You get tired, I'm getting tired. Wow. The struggle is real. Alright. So what do we got? Wow. This is it. Finally redeemed myself to catch that monster. This has been working great. Lost eel, it's okay. Let them tangle. Do not let them tangle in time. Just keep moving. Alright. We can do this all day. It'll be good. That was pretty epic. Definitely redeemed myself, that's for sure.
In 1,000 feet, continue
we're
straight
going home
onto
now,
Merrimack
so
Street.
technically I able to catch 3 over 40.